We're not going to use the manual whisk because we're lazy. Like that. Okay guys, so we are going to do the viral Dalgona Coffee. This is the result of quarantine because we want to be trendy. But we're not going to use the manual whisk because we're lazy. Like that. So she's going to use the electric whisk. The chef is very clever. Okay, so ulitin para exact 4 tablespoons for 2 people, 2 persons. 3.
So same lang din pala siya.
Same amount of sugar.
Tignan kay konti.
Huwag na, tama na.
Baka ito palsik.
Yeah. So, ang verdict, masarap siya. So, gawin nyo na. If you're someone who is into coffee, who likes coffee, so 100% you will like it. So, do it while you still have a lot of time, while naka-quarantine and naka-self-isolate and all that shebang. So, see? Maarte lang ako kaya ginilagay ko sa wine glass, but any glass will do. So that's it for today. Like, subscribe, and share, and all that good thing. And stay safe, everyone. Stay home. Bye.